Alright guys, so here I am with another box breaks of the Bowman Sterling, released just a couple days ago, and finally got around to picking it up, so pretty excited to pick it up. There's the box break right there, and let's see if we get any good old 49ers cards in here. Cover up this knife so I don't cut any of my cards by accident. Alright, so there's the special pack right there. Looks like it's 7 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, and 1 autograph and 1 jumbo relic per pack. So let's start with this little guy right here. Let's see what goodie we get. Jumbo jersey autograph. Nope, not autograph, but a jumbo jersey of Ronnie Hillman. And this is numbered out of, right there in front, number 8 out of 99. Just trying to make sure that you guys can see that. Looks pretty fresh. So, alright. Now let's get into the good stuff, huh? Alright, we've got a redemption card. Then Ryan Tannehill, David Williamson, and Andre Branch. So, alright, those are the base cards. Here's our autograph, Stephen Gilmore, and another patch, TJ Graham. And this one is numbered out of, I don't see any numbering on it, so I guess it's not a numbered. And this autograph, let's see if it's numbered. I do not see it being numbered also, so number 108. Oh, and the autograph rookie relic parallel of Doug Martin. This is my redemption. Pick up my bases. Alright, first 49ers card. Not too shabby. Chandler Hair Harnish, and Junior Kreiner for the patch. Oh, and this one is a blue parallel numbered out of 99. That's cool. So that's the difference between the two, as you can see. This is a parallel, Derek Wolf, numbered out of 99. If you can see that there in the corner, bottom right. And a gold parallel, alright. This one's numbered out of 25, number 23 out of 25. If you see that right there in the top right corner. And another gold parallel. That was a hot pack. LaMichael James, 249ers, not too bad. And that's numbered out of 65. So, very cool. Put this back over here. Russell Wilson. Another blue parallel out of 99. Peter Cones. And a double patch. Double autograph also. Ruben Handel and Stephen Hill. Numbered out of 20. If you can see that there in the bottom right hand corner. So that's pretty cool. And this patch here is a blue parallel, numbered out of 99, T.Y. Hilton. And for the last pack, Dwayne Allen parallel, gold parallel, numbered out of 50. Bottom right hand corner right there. So, then we have our autograph, Rod Streeter, and then our patch, Trent Richardson. So, not too bad of a box, I would say. And hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys all for the next box break. Bye.